Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will explore how to scan the break and retest pattern on the cryptopy.net website. First, let's go to the cryptopy.net website and click on the chart patterns section. From the open page, click on the Type section at the top and select the Break Retest option. As you can see, many break and retest formations have appeared. You can also filter the results by going to the time frame and direction sections. Let's go to the Time Frame section and choose the 1 hour option. As you can see, there are 4 scan results for the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the first result, SNX USDT perp on the 1 hour time frame and upward direction. To open the chart, click the Chart button. As you can see, there is an break and retest pattern. At this point, price break the resistance level, and then price retest this level. The second result is YGG USDT perp on the 1 hour and bearish direction. As you can see, we can easily scan for break and retest patterns. To scan all these patterns, visit the cryptopy.net website through the link in the video description. You can also reach me via the Telegram link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.